In this video we will talk about recipes for dry skin care using herbs and essentials oils. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Recipes for dry skin care using herbs and essential oils. Dry skin is generally due to less oil and moisture produced by sebaceous glands. Simple dry skin results from lack of natural oils affecting mostly women under age of 35 years, while complex dry skin lacks both oil and moisture and is distinguished by fine lines, enlarged pores and sagging skin that happens with aging. Alternatively, dry skin could be results from genetic condition, poor diet especially deficiencies of vitamin A and the B vitamins, exposure to environmental factors such sun, wind, or aggressive usage of chemicals, cosmetics and excessive bathing with harsh soaps. To name a few essential oils for dry skin are chamomile, geranium, hyssop, lavender, patchouli, rose, sandalwood and ylang ylang. Number 1. Aloe vera gel applied topically helps to remove dead skin cells and is soothing, healing and moisturizing. Number 2. Calendula and comfrey with its skin softening properties are used in facial sauna. 3.4 to 5 drops of lavender oil to bath water followed by application of diluted evening primrose oil or aloe vera cream moistens the dry skin. Number 4. Evening primrose oil contains essential fatty acid to strengthen skin cells and boost their moisture content. Number 5. Drink tea brewed with chamomile, dandelion or peppermint. Teas of borage, fennel, coltsfoot or calendula help improve the skin. Add 1 teaspoon of either herb to 1 cup of boiling water and drink daily. Number 6. Tea tree oil with its skin-penetrating properties helps to moisturize and smooth the skin. Treat yourself with these recipes using herbs and essential oils. Dry skin mask. Obtain a smooth paste by mixing 6 ounces of unflavored yogurt, few finely crushed almonds, 2 teaspoons honey and wheat germ oil each. Apply and massage of your skin for 20 minutes. Wash off with cold water. Crushed almonds exfoliate and eliminate dead skin, honey aids in adhering mask to skin and vitamin E in wheat germ oil fights radicals. Homemade balm for dry, chapped lips, heat cup almond or grape seed oil. Add 2 teaspoons of melted beeswax, TSP alkanet root. Strain the oil removing the root. Add 8 to 10 drops of natural flavoring oil and 3 drops of vitamin E oil. If your hands are moisture dry or chapped, massage them with sandalwood, rose or chamomile essential oils mixed with hydrating base oil like hazelnut, avocado or evening primrose. For energizing natural hand moisturizer, mix wheat germ oil with your favorite essential oil. Before bath, apply a mixture of 1 egg yolk, 1 teaspoon orange juice, 1 teaspoon olive oil, few drops of rose water and lime juice on your skin. This is a good morning skin cleanser. 1 egg, 1 teaspoon honey, TSP olive oil and few drops of rose water makes a good beauty mask for dry skin. Try herbal facial sauna once a week. Use chamomile, lavender, and peppermint herbs. Simmer 2 to 4 teaspoons of dried or fresh herbs in 2 quarts of water. After few minutes of steaming, place the pot at comfortable distance from your face on a table. Bend over the pot with towel covering your face and the pot to trap the steam. After 15 minutes, splash cold water and air dry your skin followed by application of moisturizer or facial oil. You can cool the herbal water and use it as toning lotion to be dabbed on your face after cleansing. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.